Hello everybody, this is Rollo from Winter Bros. In this video demonstration, we're going to show you one of our latest products. It's a Daz script called Formation X Volume 2 for large groups. You can see here we pulled up Daz Studio 4.10, and in this demo we're going to demonstrate the three different formations you can create using Volume 2. You can see here we already loaded the sci-fi tank. We've got 15 iterations of it really quick, and you can see the one here in the viewport. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select all of these. To use the script, you select whatever node you want to apply it to in the scene tab, and we're going to go ahead and open up. If you hover over the thumbnail here, you can see this is Volume 2 large groups for you to form up huge numbers of objects in any scene with three different styles. So we double click it, and it's going to come up, and what it's going to show us is you can see it already defaulted. We have the bowling pins, we have diamond and circle. These are the three different types of formations you can create with this, and you can see these tanks have already been lined up into the bowling pin formation. Some of them have, there's different parameters you can have for the different formations. For this one you can set the width adjustment, and then you can see it widen up a little bit, or if we want them a little bit deeper. Let's say we want to, oops, I mean not quite so much. We want them elongated. We can stretch it out a little more. And if you if you want to go back to the default, you can click here to reset, and it'll set it back to what it did when it first loads. And we'll use the same from group of tanks. We'll go ahead and go to the diamond formation. And you can see here, it's made a diamond shape. Let me go ahead and let's see if we can get our screen a little bit better view. There you go. And we'll go ahead and run the script again. That's okay. Sorry about that. And then what we'll do is go back to the diamond. Here you go. You can see it a little better. And with the diamond, you can change the width of the diamond or the angle. We'll go ahead and do a little quick adjustment to the angle here, so you can see we narrowed it up quite a bit, or you can widen it out here for the there you go. And of course then we have the circle formation. We'll click it really quick, and you can see you can form up a circle, and this one just has one parameter, is basically how wide you want the spacing between each of the nodes that you selected for the circle. And there you go. Those are the three different formation types that are available in Formation X Volume 2 large groups. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Please consider buying this product, available at daz3d.com.